Welcome to this gorgeous one-level home in the quiet town of Aurora with a professionally designed and landscaped yard. It's situated on 1/3 of an acre on a peaceful cul-de-sac just across from an orchard and with only a few neighboring homes. Heading inside, vaulted ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows, and a cozy fireplace welcome you home. The living room opens to the dining room with built-ins. The chef in the family will love the quartz countertops, cooktop island, double sink with a Kohler faucet, and solid oak cabinets in this well-lit kitchen. It opens to the inviting family room. Double glass doors lead to the office. The master suite has direct access to the screened-in porch, where you can comfortably take in the outdoors. The well-appointed master bath features a deep tub, shower, dual sink vanity, and a walk-in closet. You'll find 2 more large bedrooms, plus another full bath. A dedicated laundry room and extra storage in the 3-car garage. Explore the winding paths among ornamental plants and blueberries, or entertain with the 2 covered pergolas, or just relax and take in this natural setting. The 900-square-foot deck is also ready for your get-togethers. Other features include a newly installed irrigation system, a large garden shed, a newer 50-year roof, and a high-efficiency furnace. A true gardener's delight, located in historic Aurora. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Julie Lais with Premier Property Group at 503-701-7023.